Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the folding shovel from Tusk. All right everyone, thank you so much for checking in. Today we've got the folding shovel from Tusk. Now I'm sure most of us have been in a situation where it would have been nice to have a shovel for a lot of different reasons, but we didn't have one at the time. So don't be caught in that situation. A folding shovel is a great accessory to have, whether it's in your side-by-side. There's a lot of adventure riders that like to pack these into luggage as well. And what's cool about this folding shovel is one, it's all steel construction, so they're built to be durable. They're nice and small and compact. So when this thing is folded up, it does come with a carrying case. It is actually about 10 inches long, 6 inches wide. So it folds up nice and small. And out of my own curiosity, I did weigh one of these. They come in at just over 2 pounds. But when you do need a shovel, and like I said, there's a multitude of reasons that you might need one. If you're side-by-side, maybe you get stuck, you got to dig yourself out. If you're at a camping spot, you want to dig a level spot for your tent, maybe dig a little trench around your tent, maybe nature calls when you're out there and you got to dig a hole. A lot of cool reasons to have one. But what's nice is that when it's unfolded, it's about 23 inches long total. And then the blade on here, 6 inches wide, 8 inches long. You do have one serrated blade on one side as well. So you've got your shovel, but another cool thing about this is that, so you got this knob right here, I twist that. Now I can turn this sideways, tighten this back up, and I have a 5-inch pick on here as well. So you get a little bit of versatility out of it. The handle is nice and big, easy to grab. But like I said, folding shovel, it's a nice accessory to have to break this thing down. It's literally just a matter of seconds. Loosen that up, fold the pick blade, the shovel down, and then the handle folds right over itself. Simple. So again, if you've been looking to buy a shovel for the reasons that I suggested, maybe there's other reasons that you would want to have a shovel on your rides. Great accessory to have, very inexpensive. They're less than 20 bucks. So head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com or just click on the link in the description to go grab one of these today. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answers, so make sure leave those in the comment section below. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you are wanting to stay up to date on the latest and greatest product spotlights, great adventure content, UTV content, dirt bikes as well, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.